God has not given fear to me, this trembling heart, this anxious mind. He's placed within me heaven's gift, a spirit strong, a love divine. When the shadows try to speak and my courage feels so small, I remember what you promised. You are with me through it all. You have not given me a spirit of fear, but power, love, and a sound mind. I will trust you, I will stand here in your peace, my heart aligned. You have not given me a spirit of fear. I am held, I am secure. You are near, you are my strength. In your presence I am sure. When the road ahead feels unsure, and tomorrow feels unclear, I will lean on what is true. Your perfect love is always near. Every breath you give me life, every step you walk with me. I will rest within your promise. You are all I need to see. You have not given me a spirit of fear, but power, love, and a sound mind. I will trust you, I will stand here in your peace, my heart alive. I receive your power, I receive your love, I receive your peace from above. I lay down my fear, I lift up my praise. I walk in the freedom you've made a way. You have not given me a spirit of fear, but power, love, and a sound mind. I am kept, I am surrounded by your grace so kind. You have not given me a spirit of fear. I will rest, I will believe. You are with me, you uphold me. Lord, in you I am free. Not a spirit of fear,